Did you know that the foods you eat could add an entire decade to your life? Yes, that's right. It might sound unbelievable, but science backs it up. Imagine living longer and healthier just by altering your diet. Stick around, because today we're unveiling 10 incredible foods that can help you add those precious years to your lifespan. First on our list is the mighty avocado. This creamy fruit is not just delicious. It's packed with healthy fats and nutrients that can lower cholesterol and reduce your risk of heart disease. Incorporating just half an avocado into your daily diet can work wonders for your heart health. Next, let's talk about berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are bursting with antioxidants. These tiny powerhouses fight the aging process and may even protect your brain from decline. Picture yourself, years from now, retaining your youthful energy and sharp mind simply by enjoying a handful of berries each day. Now onto leafy greens. Foods like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, and are linked to a lower risk of chronic illnesses. Imagine a simple salad or smoothie infused with these greens, not just nourishing you today, but protecting your tomorrow. Speaking of nourishment, let's not forget nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds provide essential omega-3 fatty acids that are crucial for brain health. Just a small handful a day could keep your mind as sharp as ever and your body thriving. Transitioning to legumes, beans, and lentils are fantastic sources of fiber and protein, crucial for a healthy heart and digestive system. Imagine loading up on these nutritional giants, knowing they're directly contributing to longevity. And how about the spicy side of life? Turmeric, with its magical compound curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory. Regularly incorporating turmeric into your meals may significantly lower your risk of diseases, contributing to a longer life. Just think, making your meals not only flavorful but also beneficial. Next up are whole grains like quinoa and brown rice. These fiber-rich foods help maintain stable blood sugar and reduce the risk of heart disease. Picture enjoying a warm bowl of quinoa, knowing each bite is working to extend your years. Let's not pass over fatty fish, such as salmon and mackerel. Rich in omega-3s, these fish can lower your chances of heart disease and strokes. How great would it be to know you're helping your cardiovascular health while indulging in a delicious meal? Now here's a fun one, dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that correctly. Dark chocolate, in moderation, is brimming with antioxidants and can enhance heart health. So go ahead, treat yourself. You're investing in your longevity. Finally, we have fermented foods like yogurt and sauerkraut. These are rich in probiotics that support gut health, boosting your immune system. A happy gut isn't just good for digestion, it's linked to longevity. So there you have them, 10 powerful foods that can help you live 10 years longer. Which one will you start adding to your meals today? Thank you for joining us on this journey to a longer, healthier life through food. If you're excited to discover more health tips and delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel, Health Alert Remedies. Don't forget to comment on your favorite food from this list and share your thoughts. And be sure to watch our next video filled with more amazing insights that will empower you to live your best life. Until next time, take care and eat well.